2014 Indian Telly Awards flags off with the ostentatious and glittery red carpet where glamour and talent blends in as celebrities flaunt their splendid avatar and gear up to reap the fruits of their hard work. They have put in so far entertaining all of us. The 13th Indian Telly Awards 2014 began with star-studded red carpet where the artists from the television and Tinseltown walked together sporting their stylish and trendy outfits and attended the award function. Television celebrities such as Devalina Bhattacharya, Sanaya Irani, Mohit Sehgal, Kabir Bedi, Praneet Bhatt, Anurag Sharma, Divyanka Tripathi, Gurmeet Chaudhary, Karanveer Bora, Selina Jetli, Ravi Kishan, Deepika Singh, Monica Bedi, DJ Andy, Crystal D'Souza and many others were spotted walking the red carpet to attend the big night of the prestigious award ceremony.
मेरे लिए खास है बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर मुझे अपने प्रीवियस शो जीनी जूजू के लिए अपना बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस अवार्ड मिला था और मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ी बात थी बिकॉज पहली बार मैंने अपने लाइफ में कॉमेडी अटेम्प्ट किया था. सो आई गॉट द बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस अवार्ड फॉर दैट. सो दिस अवार्ड फंक्शन इज रियली स्पेशल फॉर मी.
ऑब्वियसली टेली अवार्ड है तो इसलिए खास है. शायद किसी ने पागलपन करके मुझे भी अवार्ड देने का कुछ सोचा होगा. आई होप ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, पर वो होप तो रहेगा ना. अगर उम्मीद नहीं है तो मिलेगी ही नहीं कुछ, राइट?
मैं परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ. आई एम परफॉर्मिंग ऑन कमली कमली और मैं नॉमिनेटेड भी हूँ तो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ नॉमिनेशन के लिए भी और परफॉर्मेंस के लिए भी.
In the 13th Indian Telly Awards, there were so many new faces and fresh shows which celebrated the success of their hard work tonight. All the actors seemed to be quite excited and yet nervous for the renowned award ceremony. Bollywood baddie Shakti Kapoor, along with acclaimed actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who is riding high on success with his recent release, Kick, was also spotted at the grand event.
Of course, I've come here. This is my first Telly Awards that I'm attending, and I've had a great association with Colors, so I wanted to come and see how the Telly Awards are. So probably I think I'm here to have a good time, and I wish everyone who's nominated all the very best.
सर, ये मुझे दिल की बात बोलूं, अवार्ड किसको मिल रहा है किसको नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे मालूम नहीं, बट आई विश द बेस्ट विन्स. एंड टेली अवार्ड्स आई थिंक इट्स द 13th ईयर और अभी तो टेलीविजन बिकम सो स्ट्रॉन्ग कि सारे बॉलीवुड के एक्टर्स भी टेलीविजन में आ रहे हैं. तो टेलीविजन इज टुमारोज थिंग हैपनिंग इन दिस कंट्री.
ऑफकोर्स जो टेली अवार्ड है और टीवी में एक्सीलेंसी के अवार्ड दिया जाता है तो डेफिनेटली बहुत एक्साइटेड.
Bollywood actor Anil Kapoor, who boasted his jackass attitude at the red carpet of the prestigious 13th Indian Telly Award 2014. Celebrated director Rohit Shetty, who also hosted an action stunt-based reality show Khatron Ke Khiladi, also marked his presence felt at the award ceremony.
उसमें मुझे सुनने में आया कि 24 already won 5 awards. So I'm very happy. It's won the best vector, and I think best art direction, best photography, and I was shooting. मैं अलीबाग में शूटिंग कर रहा था, इसलिए मैं लेट हो गया, and I was just driven down specially for this award. So I heard it's a very respected award, so I'm very, very happy and very honored that we all have been nominated for this award.
I'm here because I'm thankful to them. They gave me such a big opportunity. इतना बड़ा show था, so I'm here to support them.
Powered by NNIS.